So right now, I'm gonna start with grade 1 steel wool right there. So I've got this. I'm just gonna try and take as much of this rust off. Not really confident that this bumper is salvageable, but for the time being, it's gonna be on here. So if I can make it look a little bit better, then I'd like to do that. So the goal, this is all rough. The rust that you can see, it's all rough and raised up. So I'm gonna try and smooth that out and take as much rust off as I can. And then after that, I'll probably just smooth it out, shine it with finer steel wool, or I've got 800 grit sandpaper here, and see what I can do with that. So now I'm gonna keep scrubbing with the grade 1 steel wool, but I'm also gonna be spraying some PB Blaster on there to try and help get rid of that rust. finished product. Of course, it's harder to tell how shiny it is without a before shot, but you saw through you can jump through all the video and see all the spots where it was not shiny before. Even though a lot of this pitting is still here, this was all just like one splotch of rust and not being shiny, not chrome. And so even though there's pitting and physical, like I can feel how rough it is here, in between everything there's bits of chrome, and so you can actually kind of make out a reflection right there. And then of course the smooth spots are fine. So besides the denting, it being smashed in on this side, these holes that run along the middle of the whole way, there's supposed to be a rubber strip. I'll go to the front. The front bumper still has the rubber strip, and then on the ends, kind of hard to see on this side, but on the end of the bumper there's these holes here. There's supposed to be a rubber piece that snaps in here and then kind of wraps around the front, and I'm pretty sure that's what this is for. And so it just makes it look more kind of seamless. And then for that rubber strip that goes along the middle, so here's the rubber piece. Same sort of thing that would happen on the back. And then on the front we're also missing the rubber piece, the rubber end caps. But that's just cosmetic more than anything else. Anyways, thanks for checking this out, and I'll catch you guys next time.